Who doesn't like to watch a good crash test video, especially in slow motion? Here are the 5 most watched crash test videos of 2022 from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. At number 5, the 2022 Jeep Wrangler. None of this is off-road. The Jeep Wrangler is a monster off-roader, love it, but its high center of gravity doesn't make it the best when it comes to the small front overlap crash test. As you can see in this video, Jeep's Wrangler doesn't exactly pass the test with flying colors. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave it a marginal rating for its front overlap crash test. Next, the Ford Bronco. Like the Wrangler, the Bronco's high center of gravity makes it excellent at clearing obstacles, but costs it some points in certain crash scenarios. Though, as you can see in the video, the Bronco does a better job at the front overlap test than its crosstown rival. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave the Bronco a good rating on its small front overlap test, better than the Jeep. Next is the 2022 Subaru BRZ. Subaru ushered in its second generation BRZ with a 2022 model year, so it's only natural the sports coupe's fans flock to its crash test video like you are now. Between curiosity and legitimate market research, it only makes sense to see how the re-engineered coupe performs in a crash. And here's your evidence. Again, these are the most watched crash tests of 2022, and this is the 2013 Chevrolet Spark. Why is it on this list? It is exiting production, and the 2013 model hasn't been relevant since it launched, though one of the many driving factors to push people to watch this test could have been the heavily inflated car prices, which pushed buyers to more affordable options that were previously off their radar. Or, as one commenter notes, the video could have just been pushed to viewers by YouTube's algorithm. Either way, the Spark received an acceptable rating in 2013. Like black licorice, you either love it or hate it, and that's the case with Tesla. Do you love them or do you hate them? Well, here's the 2021 Tesla Model Y. The latest entry to Tesla's lineup was the top viewed Insurance Institute Highway Safety crash test last year. The battery electric compact crossover received a good crash rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and racked up over 276,000 views and counting since the test hit on YouTube. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.